In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Notion databases. By the end, you'll have an automation that listens for activity in Slack and updates a Notion database for you so you can keep projects and notes in sync without manual copy-paste. Start by heading to zapier.com and sign in. Zapier is the bridge we'll use to connect Slack and Notion. Once you're in, look for the Create button and choose to build a new Zap. A Zap is simply a two-part workflow, a trigger that starts the automation and an action that runs because of it. Let's set up the trigger first. In the trigger section, search for Slack and select it. You'll be asked to choose a trigger event. Pick the event that matches the moment you want to capture. For example, a new message in a specific channel, a new mention, or a new reaction added. This choice determines when your Notion update will happen, so think about the exact Slack activity that should drive the change in your database. Next, connect your Slack account. Approve the permissions so Zapier can read the relevant messages or events from your workspace. After connecting, use the test trigger option. Zapier will pull in a recent example from Slack, which helps you preview the data you'll map to Notion. If nothing appears, post a quick sample message in the chosen channel and try again. With the trigger ready, move on to the action. Search for Notion and select it as your action app. For the action event, choose Update Database. This tells Zapier you want to push information into a specific Notion database structure. Now connect your Notion account and grant access. If you don't see your database later, make sure it's shared with the Zapier integration inside Notion. Configure the action by selecting the database you want to update. You'll see all the properties from that database, such as title, status, tags, people, date, or URL. Map each property to the Slack data you pulled in from the trigger test. For example, set the title to the Slack message text, link a URL property to the message permalink, or set a status to something like new when a message arrives. Use defaults for fields you want to keep consistent and only map the properties you need. Finally, run a test action. Zapier will update your Notion database with the sample Slack data. Check Notion to confirm everything landed in the right fields. If it looks good, your automation is ready to go. You can return anytime to fine-tune the trigger event, adjust field mappings, or add filters to limit when updates occur. Enjoy your new Slack to Notion workflow.